the Senji pack.
Love him. You love him so. Oh.
Whoa.
She's smitten. She's smitten with him.
Yeah. How many Z's can we get in the park at once?
Good? Good?
Dexter. Go get him. He just got a girlfriend.
Yeah, nice with him. He's not going to be a fighter. He's not a fighter. But there was nobody here. Like, I don't know if you guys... Well, no, there are people here.
Ah! Sheesh.
Be nice. It'll be nice. Ow. So funny, Zulu. You are so funny.
Did you all like plan that all having the Senjis at the same time? Is it a Senji club?
Go, Sammy, go. Nope.
Lose some weight, Sammy. Lose some weight.
Like, I love the little dog. I love playing with the little dog. Get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him. Get him.
Get him, Sammy. Get him.
Oh!
Come over here.
It's okay, I didn't need that knee. I have another one.
Zemo. Go grab him. Dexter, come. Come on. Come over. Come over. See doggies.